Market daily visualization for July 8th, 2026. We'll adjust the price, the daily range, the daily high, the daily low. This is the PSAR flip. This is the 10-period PSAR, the daily price reference, the 5-day look, the 10-day look back, the 10-day low adjusted, and the 5-day low adjusted. The 10-period line adjusted extended. 20-period regression line anchored by 10. It shows days 11 through 30 downward sloping. That adjusted. The 150-day look back period. The 120-day regression. Well, I guess. And everything looking straightforward. This pullback to the east of pride, it's finding, toward its double bottom is there. Now the question we do, it's working its all the way back down to the double bottom. So it becomes a clouded 2 is powerful. If this fails all the way back down with a without being able to really retest this high,